Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Da-da-da.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So Myntra recently had their URS sale, and like everyone else, I too got tempted into shopping from their app. Now I wait for Myntra's URS sale every year because I know the discounts will be really great and the sale is never disappointing. So today's video is going to be a Myntra haul, and I'll be showing you a few of the stuff I got from the recent sale. So to know more about what all I got without wasting any further time, let's just dive straight into the video. The first thing I got is the one which I was eyeing since a really long time, and I just gave up hope that I'll ever be able to find it, and those are this pastel green color trousers. These are from the brand called Sassafras. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you will know I have this lilac trousers and yellow trousers which I have styled in lot of my videos, and both are from Sassafras only. Now a short story about this: I had this pant in my wish list since a long time, since the time I bought the lilac trousers, and I got those one at around 800 rupees or something, like under 1000 rupees, and this was never on that kind of discount. It was always around 1100, 1200, and I was like, no, if I want to buy this, I'll always buy this under 1000. And aisa karte karte this went out of stock, and I even checked on their official website, like the Sassafras website, and they even ran out of my size, and I was very disappointed, and I'm like, I don't think I'll ever be able to find these pants. And around the EORS sale, these pants came back in stock, like all the sizes, and I was so happy. I was like, I'm just adding this to my cart. And on the day of the sale, these were on such a massive discount, like cheaper than what I got the lilac trousers for. I got the yellow trousers of the lilac one after this went out of stock. Now the fitting of this one and the lilac one are both the same. The yellow trousers are a bit different in fitting and length, but this and the lilac one are same in length and fitting, like you have to fold them to crop them. But I love this trousers so much, I'm not even kidding. If you're looking for pastel fit pants, do check Sassafras out. They have some really great colors. These are in the size medium. I think medium size comes in 30 size, but you can always check the size chart and do check the reviews which they have, so you'll be able to see if the color is what you want, because I don't think the camera is able to catch the color that well. But yeah, this is my favorite pair of pants I got from the sale, and I really love them. Now the next thing I got was also in my wishlist since a long time, and it's also from the brand Sassafras. Are these mint green color track pants or jogger pants. I hope the camera is able to catch the color well, because in some of the outfit shots these pants look really pale. Now during the EORS sale, I was in two minds whether I should go ahead with this product or not, because I was eyeing this product since so long. But when I read the Myntra reviews, I saw the pictures and like so many girls rocking this pants, and I saw so many of my favorite content creators also wearing them, and they look so beautiful. And the reviews said that if you're a short girl or petite girl, these pants will be really long for you. But overall the reviews were great, like the pants are comfy, the fit is nice, and I was like, why should I purchase this if they are too long? Because what if I am not able to wear them, because I am short in height and I've got really double minded. During the sale season, these pants were on such a great discount, I just couldn't resist myself. I was like, let us purchase it. If it doesn't fit and doesn't look good, we can always return it and buy something else, or heels are always there for the rescue. So I anyways bought this, and I'm so happy I got this pant because they are so beautiful. The fitting is really nice, the material is so great and comfy, and they just look so beautiful, and you can pair it with so many colors, like you can color block them. So yeah, this is the one thing I got, and I'm really happy with this purchase. So yeah, go ahead and buy these pants if you're eyeing them. The next purchase I made is from a brand called Tokyo Talkies. Now whenever I shop from Myntra, I make sure to shop from the lesser known brands, because they have some really trendy collection in affordable range. Like, let me know if you want to see a video regarding lesser known brands on Myntra, and I will definitely execute that idea for you guys. So the things I got are this tank tops. Now I'm currently holding on to a lot of tank tops because I feel you can pair them with anything and everything and they will still look great. The first tank top I got is this pink color tank top. Now I used to run away from this color since childhood because I used to think this won't look good on me, but I think I was wrong, because when I wore it, it looked so beautiful on me. I bought this because I wanted to pair them with a lot of trousers I have, and this looks so beautiful. Now this I got for a really affordable price, and for the price I paid, the fit and the quality is so surprising. Like I was not expecting this good of a fit, okay? And I really love the material. Like the material is so comfy and so thick. Now the other color I got is this dark green color tank top, and they have a lot of color options available, but I bought this too because I thought, you know, I will just try them and check them. If the quality turns out to be good, I'll definitely purchase the other colors. Now the material for both of them and the fit is same. The prices may differ a little bit, but they are still cheap. Now both the tank tops in the large size, when I checked the review section, it was mentioned that I'd go for a size larger, and I'm so glad I did, because I think medium would have been a little bit too tight for me, but large fits me really nicely. I'll definitely purchase few more colors in this. Now if you're looking out for good quality tank tops in affordable range, do check Tokyo Talkies out. I think this makes some really great tank tops and they have a nice variety, and I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. The next thing I got is also a basic top, and also from Tokyo Talkies, is this yellow color crop top. Now yellow color makes me so happy, it just looks so good on me, I feel. And I bought this in the size large because of the same reason that it was mentioned, go for a size larger, but I think it is a little bit ill fitting, but it is still manageable. I don't think I'll be returning it. Now it is not as ripped as I would like it to be. I saw some better rip patterns on Amazon, but the prices on Amazon are too higher. I got this at a nice deal, okay? It was a steal deal, and there are a lot of color options available in this, but I was like, let's check with one color, and if it turns out to be great, we can, you know, invest in other colors always. And I'm really happy with this purchase. I'll definitely purchase few more colors in this, and I think tops like this are really in trend right now. So if you're looking out for tops like this and that rip pattern doesn't bother you, do check Tokyo Talkies out. I think they have a really nice collection. The next thing I got are not for me but for my mom, and all of them are from the Indian wear category. So the first thing are this cotton crop trousers from this brand called Jaipuri Kurti, and both of them are in the size 34. Now my mom really loves this cotton crop trousers. She pairs them with the kurtas and kurtis, and they look really great. And she doesn't wear leggings, she doesn't like wearing leggings. She loves this cigarette pants kind of trousers because they are really comfy and cozy, and you know, you can pair them with anything or everything, but they are specially made to wear under kurta. The Jaipuri Kurti is a great brand if you are looking out for good quality kurta sets or kurtas or crop trousers like this. I have been shopping from them since a long time. My mom has bought a lot of kurta sets from them, and the quality is so great, and they are always available on an affordable range. I bought this in two color, one is in black color and one is in maroon color, and they have 11 more colors available in their collection. And the fit is so nice, they are very comfy, and they fit my mom really well. So if you are looking out for good quality trousers in affordable range, make sure to check Jaipuri Kurti out. You will find a lot of variety in them, and you will also find good kurtas and kurta sets available. The last thing I got for my mom and from Myntra is this kurta set from Sangria. This is in the size XL, and the fit and the quality of this is really excellent, and I love the green and off-white combination going around right here. Now Sangria is a great brand if you are looking out for Indian wear in affordable range. They make some really trendy collection. I remember Sangria used to be on Jabong earlier, but since this time Myntra overtook Jabong, I think it is also available on Myntra, and I don't think I have shopped from Jabong since a long time. It is not available, the app doesn't open, and I am shopping from Sangria since a long time. I can vouch for their collection. So if you are looking out for trendy Indian wear collection in affordable range, please make sure to check Sangria out. It is such an understated brand, and I am definitely sure you will love it as much as I love it. These are all the things I got from the Myntra URS sale. Now I know that's not a lot, but I made sure to invest in statement pieces or basic pieces which I know I can rewear and style in a lot of different ways, and I just don't want to earn hoard products because I shop from their app before the sale also. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know which is your favorite piece from the haul, and I will definitely love to know them. And if you are new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, hit that subscribe button and also click the bell icon for the notifications, and I will see you guys with a new topic in my next video. Bye.